सह नो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We have finished up to 8th one, right? Not 8th one. 5th one. 6th one we have to see. Can you start? Yes, whoever can start.
Himself as wise. He thought to be wise and he always thinks himself to be wise.
What did you say at the beginning?
Aha Atmanam Prajna, that is, he regards himself as Manyate, he regards himself as wise. Amanyat is
Past tense.
He thought himself to be wise. Then later he always thinks himself to be wise.
Next.
He chanted the Samaveda mantras as per his capability.
What is the Samma Vigraha for Yatha Shakti? Anybody? You can look at the document. Okay.
Yatha Purvapadam Shakti Uttarapadam. That is what we said.
Shaktim Anatikramya.
What is it, Umama?
Shaktim Anatikramya.
Yatha Shakti Shaktim Anatikramya. Next.
It comes under Padartha Anativrittihi. It doesn't come under Yatha. That is a funny thing, right? It comes under the category Padartha Anativrittihi. I first searched under Yatha and didn't find it. So.
Oh. Okay. No, under Yatha, 4 meanings are there. Yogya Yatha Padartha Anativrittihi Anupurvyam.
Okay.
These three. Okay, next.
Without a reason, do not...
Somebody else will do.
Without a reason, do not do Viparita Acharan, means contrary behavior. Do not do that.
Without reason, don't do opposite things.
Opposite things, yeah.
Pratikulam.
అంటే కారణం లేకుండా ప్రతికూలించడం అని.
కారణం లేకుండా ప్రతికూలంగా చేయకూడదు.
ఓకే, ప్రతికూలంగా ఆచరించకూడదు.
హ్మ్. ఆచరించకూడదు కదా, చేయకూడదు. ఆచర లోట్లకార. ఆచరించడం అని కాదు, చేయకూడదు అని.
చేయకూడదు.
నెక్స్ట్.
నిర్జనే నిర్ద్వంద్వః నిర్విఘ్నం తావత్ పఠ యావత్ ఇయత్ కార్యం న సంపద్యతే. As long as the iyat karyam, whatever the goal is not accomplished, till then you study in isolation and without any obstacles. What is nirdvandvaha?
Without one.
Yeah.
Without distractions.
Sorry, without distractions?
Distraction.
Okay.
Ragadveshas
Okay.
of things. Like dvandvas are there, na? Three.
Yes.
Shita Ushna,
Mm-hmm.
Shoka Moha,
Mm.
Shadurmis.
Okay. Thank you.
Next.
యావంతో జనాః గ్రామే సంతి తావంతః సర్వే అపి ఆబాలవృద్ధం ఇయత్ కాలం యావత్ సుఖినః సంతి. ఎంతకాలం జనాలు గ్రామంలో ఉన్నారు, కొంతకాలం అందరూ కూడా
ఉంటారో
కొంతకాలం అందరూ ఉంటారు.
యావంతః జనాః గ్రామే సంతి అంటే ఎంత కాలం అయితే జనాలు గ్రామంలో ఉంటారో అంతకాలం.
అంతకాలం అందరూ కూడా సర్వే అపి ఆబాల వృద్ధం, పిల్లల నుండి వృద్ధులు ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎంత సుఖంగా ఉన్నారు అని. ఎలా?
ఇయత్ కాలం, ఇంతకాలం,
కొంతకాలం.
ఇయత్ కాలం.
ఇప్పటి వరకు.
ఇంతవరకు.
ఇంతవరకు ఎంత సుఖంగా ఉన్నారు. యావత్ సుఖినః, ఎంత సుఖంగా.
అంతవరకు ఎంతమంది జనాలు గ్రామంలో ఉన్నారో అంతవరకు అందరూ బాలకుల నుండి వృద్ధుల వరకు సుఖంగా ఉంటారు.
ఓకే. ఉంటున్నారు.
In English?
How many people are living in this village? All of them, from a child to an elderly person, till right? Like from a child to an elderly person, till now, are living happily.
Anybody?
Can we say as many people present here, that many people from children to old remain happy as long as they can?
Yavantaha is how long? Tavantaha is so long. How long people are there in the village? So long all the people from child to old age Iyat kalam, this much time, yavat sukhinah santi. They are happy.
Is it
Yeah.
not Yavantu Jana is as many people present, right? As many people present.
Here,
No.
I think Poonaji is explaining time-wise. So, how long is that is right?
As long as people are
Huh.
as long as people are living in this gramam, so long they all of them from Bala to Vritha. What is the exact meaning of Iyat Kalam?
Iyat kalam, this much
Till
time.
now. Till just up tak, basically.
Till present time.
So we can say up till now.
Hmm.
Okay, up till now. Okay. They remain happy.
Okay, so it is per time.
Time. Next.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? This will be Bhavan Kim Nama. Samasta pada is that Kim Nama.
Next.
Isn't it Tumhara?
Bhavan or
Right. So,
Hmm.
Tava Nama,
Tava,
Or
right?
Tvam Kim Nama.
Tava.
No. In Sanskrit, they use Bhavan.
Yeah, I thought so. Bhavan.
Bhavan.
Not
They
Bhavataha, not Bhavataha.
Bhavat.
It
No.
is Shashti, no? Tumhara.
Bhavatyaha Nama Kim?
Yeah.
Bhavatyaha, Bhavataha.
Yes. Bhavataha. Bhavataha nama kim.
No, but we are reading Samasa, right? So or we say
No,
Bhavataha Kim Nama.
no. What they are saying is Bhavan is Prathama, so Bhavataha should come Shashti.
Okay.
Next.
मेरा नाम कृष्ण है, मम नाम कृष्णः अस्ति.
Next.
सज्जन सब पर प्रेम करता है. सज्जनः सर्वे is there a word that we have specially used or just premam karoti?
Yeah, Premam only.
Okay.
Sab par means we can use saptami bahuvachan.
सर्वेषु.
Yeah.
Sarveshu. Can you repeat the Vakya again?
What was the Sajjanaha sarveshu premam karoti.
Okay. The Shabda is Preman, Nakaranta Shabda. So it is Prema only.
Okay, prema karoti.
Next.
So Purnaji, here can we use Samasa? Like suppose Sajjana all can say Satpurushaha Sarve Prema Krita Asti.
Which Samasa you will do?
Looking at your rule, Tatpurusha.
Tatpurusha.
Haan.
Tatpurusha we have not seen so far. Let us come to Satpurusha,
Okay.
then we'll do.
Okay. Now, because since it is a Samasa thing, I was trying to do that like that. Okay, thank you.
Now, in this chapter, if there is any Avyayi Bhava Samasa, we will try to find out that. Okay. Next.
प्रेम से प्रेम उत्पन्न होता है.
Hmm.
प्रेमात् प्रेमं उत्पद्यते.
Prem se. Which Vibhakti?
Panchami.
Oh, is it Panchami?
Yes.
It's
It is
born
it is
from
Nama.
that, Premat.
Okay.
Premna is the, I thought Premna.
Premnah, I thought, right?
Okay, Panchami. Next. Next वाक्य.
मेरे घर में आबाल वृद्ध सब यथाशक्ति कार्य करते हैं। मम गृहे आबालवृद्धं सर्वे और सर्वेषु
सर्वेषु.
सर्वेषु यथाशक्ति कार्यं करोति।
सर्वे.
कुर्वन्-
Not सर्वेषु. सर्वे is
Okay,
प्रथमा. कार्यं What is
करोति
it?
करोमि।
Which
Is it not kurvanti, right?
कुर्वन्ति।
कुर्वन्ति is the correct. प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचनम.
Mama is there.
Yeah, can you repeat the vakya in Sanskrit again?
मम गृहे आबालवृद्धं सर्वे यथाशक्ति कार्यं
यथाशक्ति. यथाशक्तिः.
यथाशक्तिः
कार्यं कुर्वन्ति will go with आबालवृद्धः, not with mama.
Okay.
Who is doing?
आबालवृद्ध।
Next.
हमारे विद्यालय में जितने छात्र हैं उतनी ही छात्राएं हैं। मम विद्यालये यावन्तः छात्राः सन्ति तावन्तः plural of छात्रा.
Chatra for both is chatra only.
No, for feminine is it same?
Same.
Chhatraha only. Yeah.
Chatra.
Same. Okay, then
Yeah.
easy. Chhatraha santi.
Only thing is for feminine students, tavatyaha is instead of yavantaha, tavatyaha. Oh, vantya.
There is no feminine for yavat, tavat.
Okay.
It is only Pullinga and Napumsakalinga Shabdas are there. Strilinga is not there. So for all we can use yavat, tavat only.
Okay.
Next, Abaji. Are you there?
वहाँ कितने छात्र, कितनी छात्राएं, कितने फल और कितनी पुस्तकें हैं। वहाँ will be तावत.
Vaha, how Vaha is
Tatra.
tavat?
तत्र कितने not कुतः.
Kiyantaha.
कियन्. Okay, तत्र कियन्तः छात्राः. And will it be same कियन्तः छात्राः?
Yes. Or if we want to use different words, balakaha, balikaha.
तत्र कियन्ते बालकाः, कियन्ते बालिकाः.
Not kiyante, kiyantaha, pullinga.
कियन्तः बालकाः and kiyan. There is a strilinga for kiyanta shabda.
No. Pullinga only.
Kiyanta balikaha.
Kiyantah balikaha.
Kiyantah balikaha. Kiyantah phalani. Kiyantah pustakani. च
Hmm.
santi.
Next.
So Purnaji, can kati be used? Kati.
Kati.
Kiyantaha kati.
Kati is also how many. Kati is used for things, I think. Kati pustakani santi.
Okay.
Next. Maybe used for everything also. Next.
जितने फल और जितने फल वहाँ हैं, उतने ही फल और फूल यहाँ भी हैं। यावन्ति फलानि यावन्ति च पुष्पाणि तत्र सन्ति, तावन्ति फलानि तावन्ति च पुष्पाणि अत्र अपि सन्ति।
Next.
तब तक काम करो जब तक गुरुजी न आवे। यावत् आचार्यः न आगच्छति तावत् कार्यं कुर्वन्तु।
न आगच्छत्.
आगच्छति, sorry, आगच्छति।
आगच्छत्. तावत् कार्यं कुरु. Yes. Next. Next.
तावते कालं तत्र निवस। उतने समय तक वहां नहीं।
उतने समय. Which one is that?
I'll let somebody else, because sometimes the statements in my PDF might not be what is reflected in yours. That's fine.
10th one. उतने समय तक वहां मत रहो.
तावत् कालं तत्र न निवस और न भव.
न भवतु.
न भवतु.
I wrote staha.
Mhm.
Staha. Staha. Ma staha.
Ma staha. That way. Ma will come with lung lakara. Mangi lung. Did you use lung lakara?
Staha. Staha.
Staha is which lakara?
Is it lakara or tavatu pratyaya kind of a thing, right?
With that, ma will not come. With lung lakara, ma will come. Mangi lung.
So if I use staha, then nasta.
Nastaha. Nastaha also.
Nastaha.
Nastaha. No, staha is if we use tak tavatu, it is not lot. It is past tense. Nishtha, tak tavatu pratyayas are indicating past tense.
Past tense.
So you want to use lot lakara pratyayas, aniyar pratyaya you can use.
Okay.
Aniyar pratyaya and two more pratyayas we have seen, right?
Shatrushan.
That is for continuous tense. Tavya, tavya, aniyar. These three will go together. Tavya, tavya, aniyar. Okay, next.
So what did we conclude with? Mat raho.
Na bhavatu is one form. If you want to use asdhatu with pratyayas, then forms will be bhavitavya, bhavaniyaha, bhavitavyaha, bhavaniyaha.
Okay. And
Now remain as it is.
sorry.
Now will remain as it is.
Okay. And if we want to use ma, we have to use lung, you said, right? So
Yes.
ma asthaha would be lung lakara stha dhatu.
Lung. Ma abhut. Ma bhut. A will get lopa. In lang lakara form, when we use before ma, if it is there, then that akara will get lopa. Instead of ma abhut, ma bhut will come. This form we have seen many times, right?
Ma bhut. And
Ah.
if it is stha dhatu, can we use stha dhatu here?
No, as dhatu, bhu dhatu only we can use.
We can use. Okay, we cannot use stha. Okay, thank you.
So is it ma abhut or ma bhu?
We have to
No,
write
akara.
ma bhut only. Akara will get lopa because of ma. Where it has come ma bhut? I think it's from shlokas only. Okay, if anybody remembers, then they can remind. Next.
Nishkaranam vivadam na kuru.
Yes. Next.
Nirjane api anukulaha प्रतिकूलाश्च प्राणिनः लभ्यन्ते.
प्राणिनः लभ्यन्ते or दृश्यन्ते?
दृश्यन्ते. Okay.
Next. मिल जाते हैं, लभ्यन्ते you can use. Next.
राम मेरे अनुकूल है, रामः माम अनुकूलम अस्ति, मम
अनुकूलम.
मम ओके.
मम अनुकूलः. Next.
रावण मेरे प्रतिकूल है, रावणः मम प्रतिकूलः.
Next.
आकाश में पक्षी है, व्योमना पक्षिणः सन्ति.
व्योम्नि.
व्योम्नि, हाँ व्योम्नि करेक्ट. व्योमना व्योम्नि पक्षिणः सन्ति.
Next.
श्यामः सामानि गायति.
श्यामः सामानि मन्त्रं गायति.
Okay.
Yeah, Samani is also mantra only. It's okay. Samani is indicating mantra also. Next.
Would it be mantra or
correct?
mantrani? If we use mantra, would it be mantrani or mantram?
Mantrani.
Mantrani, yeah. Okay.
Next.
सोने का आभूषण है, एतद् हेमाभूषणम् अस्ति.
Can you repeat again?
एतद् हेम आभूषणम् अस्ति.
Which vibhakti hema?
Hema is gold, right? In the word bank. So
Yes, yes.
hem,
Which It should be
should be Prathama. Vachan, right?
Shashti. Shashti.
Oh,
Shashti.
okay.
Shashmita, golden.
Oh,
Hemna.
Hemasya. Okay, Hemasya
Not
Abhushanam.
Hemasya. Hemnaha. These shabdas are nakaranta napumsakalinga shabdas, not akaranta. Heman is the shabda. Hmm.
What is the complete form?
Sorry, mantra is not napumsakalinga. Mantra is pullinga. Mantraha. But it looks like mantrani is also seen, but may not be correct. Mantraha. What you are saying, Sirishaji?
So complete form of 17 is Etat Hemani Abhushanam Asti.
Hemnaha.
Hemnaha. Okay.
Huh. Next.
Rajju.
Okay, go ahead, Sitaji.
Rajju Anayetu.
Huh.
Is it Anayatu or
Anaya.
Anayatu?
Anaya.
Or Anaya.
Madhyam.
Anaya.
Next.
Bal do o.
Hmm?
Wash your hair. Lomani dhava.
Lomani.
Dhava. Dhona.
Dhava. What is the dhatu?
Lomani.
Not lomani. You mentioned some kriya padana. What is that dhatu?
Dhava. Mahaprana dha.
Dhatu is what?
I don't know madhatu.
So dhav dhatu, then lot lakar will use here?
Dhav is the meaning.
Yeah,
for dhav.
it says dhav, it says dhavu gati shuddhayoho.
Okay. Then it is correct. Okay, next. Then if you don't know, then how did he use?
My Acharyaji told me, Amma, when I asked it, because in this Kriya Pada Kavi Bhaga, what to wash is not given. So I asked him.
Okay.
Then he said, you use this and complete the sentence. I forgot.
Kriya
asking
Pada also
Bhakti.
you should know. Okay, next.
I should ask him.
Can we use
Next
Kshalya also, right?
Prakshalya can be done.
Prakshalya also you can use. Also, Shuddh is the dhatu. Shuddh is shauche. That also you can use. Shuddhya, shuddhyatat, anything. Next.
Dhava. Was it Lomani Dhava finally?
Yes.
And instead of Lomani, if we want to use Kesha, would it be Keshaha or Keshani?
Keshan.
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 Next.
क्या होता है?
बच्चा पैदा होता है, बालकः जायते.
Is it past tense or present tense?
Present tense.
Okay.
Next one is past tense actually.
Next.
पुत्र पैदा हुआ, पुत्रः अजायत.
Okay, next.
I use jatah, that is the ta pratyaya. That should be okay.
Ah,
Right?
yes, yes. Next.
विद्या से ज्ञान होता है.
Hmm.
संपद. विद्यया ज्ञानम संपद्यते.
Next.
Is it which vibhakti was that? If is it Panchami or Tritiya? You use Tritiya?
तृतीया.
Tritiya. Tritiya.
Okay.
But Hetu also, Hetu Arthe, Panchame also we can use.
Yeah, Vidyat we can say, right?
Vidyaya.
Vidyaya.
Vidya. Next.
सः तत्र अस्ति.
Next.
अपने आप को कौन मूर्ख समझता है? स्वयं आत्मानं कः मूर्खं मन्यते?
कः मूर्खः इति मन्यते.
कः मूर्खः इति मन्यते.
Hmm.
मूर्खम I took in द्वितीया amma. Karma I thought.
Kaha murkaha, not kaha murkham.
Okay. स्वयं आत्मानं कः मूर्खः मन्यते?
నన్ను నేను మూర్ఖుడిగా ఎవరు ఆలోచిస్తారు?
प्रथम विभक्ति प्रथम मूर्खः मन्यते.
Okay. Next chapter we are going to study Tatpurusha Samasa. You all will enjoy because it is so easy.
Purnaji, I have a question.
Yes.
I would have to ask you to go back to a sentence, number 6. हमारे विद्यालय में जितने छात्र हैं उतनी ही छात्राएं हैं. So for that, when we did in the just now, we said mama vidyalaya. Mama vidyalaya, I think. Hamare is not mama, na? Mama would be mere. Hamare means in our. So what would be the shabda?
That's why I was also going to ask. Asmakam would be.
Yeah, I thought asmakam would be.
Hamare means, is it plural?
Yes,
Yes.
in our school. That's what they're saying. In my school.
Okay. Then if it is plural, then asmakam. Yes. Is there any other doubt?
The last one that we just did, apne aap ko swayam मूर्खः मन्यमानः कः
Manyate. Kaha manyate.
You cannot say manyamana. Swayam dhiraha panditam manyamana.
Manyamanaha also.
Yeah.
We can use.
Thank you.
Next.
In this case, can we? Oh, sorry.
So Panditam was Dvitiya Vibhakti, right? So can we use Murkham there or Murkhaha?
Murkaha.
Okay.
Panditam Manyamanaha is Samastapada. It is not Panditam, is not Dvitiya.
I see.
Next.
We finished the sentences, Purnaji.
Yeah, ma, 24 only, amma.
What is 24?
Total translation sentences are 24 only, amma.
Okay, next chapter we are going to start. We can finish the meanings.
Okay.
Manas is mind. Chetas, all are sakaranta shabdas. Sakaranta napumsakalinga. Manas. Manaha, manasi, manansi. Manaha, manasi, manansi. It goes like that. Manasa, manabhya. What is it? Manas. Manasa, manobhyam, manobhihi. Manase, manobhyam, manobhyaha. Manasaha, manobhyam, manobhyaha. Manasaha, manasoho, manasam. Manasi, manasoho, manahasu, manasu. Both are there. That is optional form due to Visarga Sandhi. Those who have seen Visarga Sandhis, they can look at what is the sutra and all. He manaha, he manasi, he manansi. These are the shabdas. Okay, manas is mind. Chetas, chittam, memory. Tamas, darkness, dark. Uras, chest. Tejas, light. Rajas, dust. And Rajoguna. What is the English word? Rajoguna?
Activity.
Passion,
Raja means activity, right?
Mhm.
passion, activity,
Yeah.
passionate.
But it is not exact word. Those are the karya of Rajoguna.
Punaji, can you share the right screen?
Oh, sorry. Rajoguna.
Can it be agitation?
It's also karya of Rajas. Vayas is Ayu. Rakshas. Rakshas means Rakshasa. Ojas is again Teja, light. Chandas is Chandas. Chandas means two meanings can be there. Vedas as well as Chandas, which is shlokas and all.
Meter.
And
Meter.
meter.
Hmm.
Rahas, Ekanta. Enas, sin. Amhas, sin.
Punaji, for Rahas, Ekanta, can you use solitude or
Yes.
solitude? Okay.
Amhas, sin. Havish means Havis. What are that called? When we do homa,
Yeah,
two
the
steps.
dravya. Yeah.
Samidha.
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 No.
Havis is rice, cooked rice.
The white,
Oh.
white
Okay.
rice that we cooked. Havis.
Sarpish is ghee. Sarpish looks like a snake, but it is ghee. Jyotish is light and star also. Rochish, again Teja. Dhanush is arrow. Bow, not arrow. Chakshush, eye. Rajapurushaha. Rajapurushaha is son of Raja, son of king.
In the Hindi, it doesn't give it that way. It says royal worker, the word karmachari.
Okay, they have taken the Shashti
Different.
Tatpurusha Samasa. Rajnyah Purushah, Raja
Mhm.
Purushah. Ha
Mhm.
ha.
But
What is the
silence
English word for that?
royal
Royal soldier, maybe. I don't know.
Ha.
worker, brahmachari's worker or employee.
Yeah, yeah. So
Var-
royal worker.
Hmm. Okay. Somaha means moon. Also day. Somarasa. Somaha means Somarasa. Amritam. Murti Puja. Murti Puja means Murtehe Puja. Murti Puja. This is also Shashti Tatpurusha. I think all these are Shashti Tatpurusha Samasas they have given. Okay. So means what they have given 3 means. Su means just Su means Nahana, Nahavana, Ras Nikalna means taking shower.
Giving shower.
Giving shower and
Taking out juice, I don't know how that can be Nahana se.
To extract the juice.
Yeah, but then can that be Nahana? Same, I don't know.
okay. Ishvara Bhaktaha, Ishvarasya Bhaktaha, Ishvara Bhaktaha, devotee of Ishvara. Vidyahinaha, Vidyahinaha,
Uneducated.
Vidyena Hinaha,
Mm.
Vidyahinaha, Murkaha. One who doesn't have Vidya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.